Hello everybody. Welcome to Home Gardening 4.0. Thanks for joining me. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to transplant the spinach on this side of the bed. But first, before I get started, I have to raise um, this side of the bed. I have to add dirt because that spot is higher than here. Okay, so now moving into the spinach. So I am going to plant them um, per plugs. So there's 16 total, 16 plugs. I call them pockets. The wife calls them plugs. So every 6 inches. So what I did is I used this board and I separated them every 6 inches. So I'm going to do the holes now so that when I transplant them, they go directly from the plugs into the ground to um, put less stress on the plant as it is transplanted. So I'm going to set up myself and get going. So I'm going to do pretty much the size of the plugs or pockets so that I could just remove the dirt from that so I could set the plug in. I'm going to go ahead and move them so that it's a lot easier for them to grow. Hopefully they'll stay. Okay, so now that they are all being transplanted, and I already put the tag up, and I made it all the way halfway through this bed. So thank you all for watching and joining me here, and we'll see you guys next time on our next video.